hi guys. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Oh my god. Don't mind the hype. I keep saying this, guys. Don't mind it because what the heck. But yeah, hi guys. So this is me. I'm heading to my gender reveal. It's just an intimate gender reveal that me and Louis are doing. We just want to find out the sex and we just wanted to do something special. So yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. Come with us. We're going for some little picnic. Yeah, let's go guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So come with us to our intimate gender reveal that we're just doing, the two of us, because we want to know the gender so that we can start planning like buying stuff and all of those kind of stuff. So yeah guys, come with us. I think I look cute, although I hate the fact that I am dark, but it's fine. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Taking just be. Don't take it.
Yeah, I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Time is up to yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
You need to tell me what you think. You think it's a boy? Why do you think it's a boy? Why can't it be a girl? Why? I think it's a boy, but I want it to be a girl. Yeah. That's what we want. But it's probably going to be a girl. I mean a boy. Together. I'm sorry you chose to need to do it together. Alright. It's a boy. One day you have to bite it. Huh? You have to bite those. You get hurt it all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not possible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. If you're right, you're lonely. If you're right, you're lonely. Guys, please don't fall in love with look at that. Yep, we're having a boy. I kind of knew it. It's a boy. Why is it a boy? Yeah, like I don't think like you can say, good, oh yeah, because I had girls, it was more difficult. No. Girls are easy to raise. Everybody says that. Girls are easy to raise, Louis. Especially like as they grow up, eh? As kids, I feel like all kids are the same. But then, like, as they start growing up, like, it's easy to raise a girl than a boy. As they start growing up. Oh, you wanna get it's easy to raise a boyfriend and madani. Losing.
He's an car.
Car.
You just have to. You don't have to miss short stages. So you have to wait for experience. Like me, I know because I've seen. I've grown up in a house where there are boys, so I would know. But if you miss these stages, they become troublesome now. So my stages, I mean, no, you just have to be straight, very strict parent.
Must be jogging adolescence, probably.
Yeah, a bit of secondary, yeah. You just have to be very strict and you must pay attention. You must not be body. You must be there. You must know what is going on in their lives so that you can enjoy. I'm going to go to the bus.
Awesome. Yup, guys. Gender reveal has occurred. Say hi. So boy, how do you feel? Oh, she is happy. Hey, boy, dad. Boy, dad. Yes. Boy, dad. Boy, mom. Vibe. We have like Mizu. Interesting. Interesting.
Yeah. I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Time is up to get set. I try to